Today, I'm going to show you how to access Google Drive, whether you're storing important files, keeping your photos safe, or working on shared projects. Getting into Google Drive is the first step toward organizing everything in one secure place. This tutorial will guide you through the process in a simple, clear way, so let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once you're on the main screen, locate the search bar at the top and type Google Drive into it. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below the search bar. These shortcuts are helpful, but you can simply press enter to load the search results. In many cases, you'll also see a grid icon at the top right corner of the page if you're already signed into your Google account. This grid is the Google App Launcher and serves as a hub for all Google services. Click the grid icon and a panel will appear showing apps like Gmail, Calendar, Meet, and more. Look for the Drive icon, easily recognized by its triangular shape made of green, blue, and yellow. Click on it to head straight into Google Drive. If you aren't signed into a Google account yet, you'll be prompted to log in. Make sure you choose the account that contains the files you want to access. Logging in not only protects your content, but also keeps everything synced across your devices. Once you arrive inside Google Drive, take a moment to look around the interface. On the left sidebar, you'll see helpful navigation tools. My Drive holds the files you've created or uploaded. Shared with Me shows items others have given you access to. The Recent section displays files you've opened or worked on lately, making it easy to return to your ongoing projects. At the top of the page, you'll find a search bar that lets you quickly locate specific files or folders. This is especially useful if your Drive contains a large number of documents. A great tip for staying organized is to create folders and categorize your content. This small habit makes it much easier to find your files later and helps keep everything clean and manageable. And that's it. You've learned how to access Google Drive with just a few simple steps. Once you're comfortable entering Drive, you can explore features like uploading files, creating new documents, and sharing items with others for seamless collaboration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials designed to help you stay productive.